matching staple, peanut butter roll. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Just melt in your mouth. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. Telling you now, if you got diabetes and you on a diet, this is not for you, hun. Don't come at me. You're going to start off with 3 cups of powdered sugar. I eyeball it because I make it all the day on time. It's going to be this whole bowl. Can of evaporated milk. You're going to pour gently.
The way you do. Sounds really rough. I just need a place to stay until the tour starts up in a couple weeks.
Get you some parchment paper, lay it down. Get you some more sugar. You want to put a lot down. You're going to mess up if you use a lemon full. It has to be parchment paper. Because this is the only way you're going to roll this baby. Yes, we're going to roll it into a log. I'm telling you, we're going to make a dough form. Like pizza dough. Play-Doh. Basically. Yes, you're going to make a mess. Just keep doing it with your hand. Flatten it out. I'm making a little one. I ain't making a big one. Get you some peanut butter. I'm using Jif. And I love extra peanut butter. Put however much you want inside. Take your parchment paper like this. We're going to roll it into a log. I touch one of these boxes, I end up cutting myself every friggin' time. We're going to make it form while it's still nice. Just like this, like a log. We're going to place it in the refrigerator for 1 hour.